guys, how are you guys doing? But currently I'm now in Oudtshoorn where we used to go like vacations, and we are now on vacation. We are now in Oudtshoorn. We're gonna go to George Nice now. Then I'm gonna ride on a camel, guys. It's gonna be so super fun. Then we're gonna see the animals, and then we're going to go to the zoo, and then we're gonna come back to our place, and tomorrow we have a whole day. Okay, so today is actually Friday, and we're going Monday home. So we only have 4 days to stay here, but now it's early. We're gonna go later on. Then we're gonna go like to the places that I see. But now I'm first gonna swim in the pool because I want to swim in the pool now. Yeah, I want to swim there. And if you guys wondering what's that, that's my ball. And my brother's friend is all dressed up. And I'm also all dressed up. So we're gonna go in the pool and bye guys.